In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Draw tool in Microsoft Word like a pro. Microsoft Word's Draw tab gives you a convenient way to write, highlight, sketch, and add handwritten markings directly to your document. It's especially useful when you're working with a touchscreen or a compatible digital pen, but you can also use your mouse to draw. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to use the Draw tool. At the top of the Word window, look for the Draw tab and click it. This will display the different drawing tools available in Word. You'll see several pens and drawing options that you can use to write directly on the page. Select a pen to begin drawing. You can move your mouse across the document to create handwritten lines, or use a digital pen if your device supports one. You can also customize the appearance of your pen. Select the pen you want to use and adjust its color and thickness using the available options. Choosing a thinner pen is useful for detailed writing, while a thicker pen can make annotations easier to see. If you want to highlight something in your document, select the highlighter tool, then drag across the text or area you want to emphasize. You can adjust the highlighter's color and thickness depending on how visible you want the highlighting to be. The Draw tab also includes an eraser that lets you remove ink from your document. Select the eraser and then move it over the drawing or handwritten mark you want to remove. If you make a mistake while drawing, you can also use the undo command to quickly reverse your most recent action. Another useful feature is the ability to select ink after you've drawn it. This can help you work with handwritten content and make adjustments without having to redraw everything from the beginning. When you're finished using the drawing tools, simply return to the normal editing tools in Word and continue working with your document. Your handwritten annotations and drawings will remain part of the document. The Draw tool can be useful for marking up documents, adding signatures, creating simple sketches, emphasizing information, or making handwritten notes. For the best results, use consistent pen sizes and colors so your annotations remain clear and easy to understand. Before finishing, review your document to make sure your drawings and annotations are positioned correctly and that nothing is covering important text. And that's how you can use the Draw tool in Microsoft Word like a pro. With the available pens, highlighter, eraser, and other drawing options, you can add useful handwritten elements directly to your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,